In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily move strips up and down in the Wix editor. If you've been working on your Wix website and need to rearrange the strips, this guide is definitely for you. We'll walk through the steps you need to take, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to smoothly move your strips around your web page, enhancing the overall structure and design of your site. First things first, let's head over to the Wix website editor. If you're managing a site called Another Clothing or any other Wix page, make sure you're logged in and ready to edit. Once you're in the editor, you'll see your web pages displayed as a series of sections or strips, each representing different parts of your web page content. Strips are versatile elements in Wix websites, and knowing how to maneuver them can significantly improve both your workflow and design flexibility. Now locate the section you want to move. You do this by clicking directly on the strip you wish to adjust. It's important to ensure you're selecting the right section. This will help avoid moving the wrong content. Once selected, the control menu for that strip will appear. This menu allows you to perform multiple actions, including changing backgrounds, adjusting layouts, and most importantly for our purposes today, moving strips. Next, let's focus on the functionality you'll be utilizing, the directional arrows. Once you've clicked on your selected section, you'll notice small arrows on the toolbar that appears. These arrows are your main tool for moving strips. If you want to move your strip up, click the upward facing arrow. Similarly, if you need to move it down, click the downward facing arrow. Each click shifts the section 1 position in the chosen direction. This ability to customize the vertical order of your strips can vastly improve user navigation, making key content easier to find. Remember, as you adjust your strips, the changes will automatically save within the Wix editor. However, it's always a good habit to periodically save your progress manually as well, just to be safe. This simple yet effective method ensures that your site layout fits your design needs and enhances your users' browsing experience. Whether you're rearranging strips to highlight seasonal promotions or just improving site flow, mastering this process can be a game changer. And there you have it, a straightforward way to move strips up and down in the Wix editor. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and you feel more confident in organizing your website's layout. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more tutorials or reach out for support. Thanks for watching and happy editing.